Welcome to Solomon Exam Prep. This video will show you the various features available to you from the Solomon Exam Prep Video Lectures page. Once you've logged in and navigated to the series of your choice, click the Video Lecture icon to enter the video list page. Playing these videos is very simple. Clicking anywhere inside the video's frame will start the video playback. Clicking again will cause the video to stop. To go into full screen mode, simply double-click inside the video player window. Double-click again to exit full screen mode. Optionally, clicking the little square in the bottom corner of the video will go full screen, and the escape key will exit. To start a different video playing, scroll down to the desired title and click the play button next to it. The system will keep track of the watch times for you. So if you refresh the page or return to this page after having watched videos previously, you'll notice indicators for how much of the video you've watched, as well as the bookmark time in the video where you left off watching. Clicking the play button for that video will automatically start playing from the time indicated in the bookmark. To restart or play a video starting anywhere in that video, simply click the desired location in the video play bar. Video lectures are a great way to supplement the valuable information in our study guides. Solomon Exam Prep hopes this video helps you navigate the video lectures page. Thanks for watching.